Hey everyone, in this video I will show you Zendesk CRM tutorial, how to use Zendesk for customer service. So first thing you should do is you have to go to Zendesk and then you have to click the very first link that you can see here. As you can see, Zendesk, the complete customer service solution. Tap this one. So this is what it looks like. What you're going to do here is you have to click this free trial. You can also tap this demo if you want to know more about this platform. But for our tutorial, let's just start or jump directly to free trial. Tap this one. So step 1 of 10, what you're going to do is you have to enter your email address here. What you're going to do here is tap next. Step 2 of 10, start your free Zendesk tutorial. What is your first name? You're going to enter your first name here. Once done, tap next. Also your last name, tap next. And then what you're going to do here is you have to add your phone number. Once done, tap next. And then your job title here, tap next. Company, tap next. How many employees are there at your company or working at your company? After that, tap next. And then select a language for using Zendesk, English, tap next. And then you need to create your password. After that, complete trial setup. So they need to verify your email address. What you're going to do here is you have to click open Gmail, verify your account. So this is your Zendesk dashboard. And as you can see, if you go to the left side, you will see the feature and option. So this one is your home. This is where you can see everything, your account. And then here, this is where you see the unsolved tickets, unassigned tickets, and recently updated tickets, and so on. Here, if you tap this, then you will see customers list and also suspended users. You can also add customer here. This one, organizations. So probably here you can add and search, manage your organizations in one place if you have tons of organizations. So since our tutorial is all about how to use Zendesk for customer service, what you're going to do here is you have to click this customer icon or customer list. So basically what you're going to do here is you have to click this add. As you can see, if you tap this one right here, you will see ticket, user, organization, search. So in order to create or add a customer, what you're going to do here is you have to click this add customer. And then you can now add the name and the email address of the customer here. Once the name and email added, what you're going to do is you have to click this one. And here it is. So as you can see, the information is on the left side. Okay, so Andrew Savvy. Under this customer information, you will see this ticket related security settings. And in order for you to create a new ticket to the specific customer right here, what you're going to do is you have to click new ticket or plus new ticket. Tap this one. So this is requester. This is Andrew Savvy. Assignee, if someone in your team will handle this issue, then basically you can add someone here. For the meantime, I will be the one who will handle this ticket. Followers, if you have. Now tags, you can also add here. So let's go to type. This one is, let's just say problem. Priority, high. Topic, let's just say this person or this customer is having trouble with delivery. So you can add a subject here. Okay, so let's just say the subject is problem 1, late deliveries. Okay, so probably this means, or the scenario could be, customers are consistently receiving their package late beyond the expected delivery. So here you can give or add a sample reply or answer to that. So for example, your answer is this one. Solution 1, implement route optimization software to ensure drivers take the most efficient paths, reducing travel time. Solution 2, solution 3, you can also add something here, like you can turn on draft mode, like you can add emoji, you can attach a file here, and also a link if you want. So you have to make sure that this is the email address of Andrew Savvy. Okay, you can also check the local time. So this one is the problem one. Now, if you want to add another customer or another problem or issue that you want to handle, then you can just tap this add right here, and it will create a new ticket automatically. So you can add again a name. So add a user here, for example, now this time, let's just say that this one is your staff member. Okay, so the role of this staff member is agent, or let's just say, yeah, administrator, agent, everything is up to you. So if this person also encounters something here on or something on your company, you could also add someone, not just a user but also a staff member. After that, what you're going to do next is tap the add option right here, and as you can see, staff member created. So assignee, so let's just say I will be the one to handle this. Tags type, let's just say incident. Priority, let's just say urgent. Okay, link problem, if you have most recently updated problems, or if you have added something here. Topic, let's just say, or other. Okay, so link problem if you have. Okay, so for topic, let's just tap other. And then for subject, okay, so let's just say problem 2. Customer complaints about unresponsive customer support, or maybe this agent is complaining his or her other workmates, something like that. So it could be that unresponsive customer support can worsen the delivery experience, leading to lower customer satisfaction. So here you can reply to that, you can add an answer to that. So probably solution 1, invest in customer support training, ensure the team is equipped to handle delivery increase and resolve issues quickly. Okay, so basically that's it. Now, here below, you can see this organization. So organizations are typically collections of your end users, but they can also include team members. The organizations page in Zendesk Support provides a focused place to see, create, and manage your organization. To add organization, what you're going to do is you have to click this one right here. Let's just say ZTE branch 2. Okay, add, and then it will be added here. Okay, here you can also add, or you can see ticket status, ID, subject, requester, requested, updated, group, assignee. You could also add users here. Okay, and then for related, you can unlock your potential. When you add new lookup relationship, the related records will pop up right here. Now, here on the reporting section on Zendesk. So basically, this one allows you to create and analyze reports on various aspects of your support activity, including ticket calls. When you tap the stock library, so here in the reporting section, it allows you to create and analyze reports on various aspects of your support activity, including ticket calls and messaging. Using pre-built or custom reports, you will see it right here. If you tap the secure icon, then probably you will see here any updates. For example, like what I've mentioned earlier, you will see here the macros, triggers, automations, views that you have used. For example, used today, updated today, used today, updated today, and so on. If you tap this details, then you can see set tickets with no priority. This one is the most used in 7 days and the recently updated. So you will see it all under settings. If you tap this home, then here you will see all the features such as the ticketing system. You will see here agent productivity, okay, messaging, and live chat. You will see it right here. Reporting analytics, apps and integrations. If you want to connect your Zendesk to upgrade your system, if you want to connect this to any application, then basically you can just integrate your Zendesk right here. Okay, all you have to do is tap next and then follow the prompt. For example, if you want to connect your Zendesk to your Slack, to your Zoom, MailChimp, Shopify, and more. Okay, so basically that's it. All you have to do again is just add that customer information, and after adding the customer information, you can edit that. You can add a ticket. So for example, if you want to add some changes or do some changes, just click the person or the customer's name. You can even change the person's name right here or details if there is something wrong with the information. As easy as that. And that's how easy it is to use Zendesk for customer service.